Okay. Right, let's see if we can make this one look good. This one's going to be a 400 job. We're going to reverse it or not? Or are we going to add a background colour to make it nice? Going to throw in some lovely magenta. Colour adjust, let's see how we go. Going to just add some contrast, just a little bit more. This is going to go there. Sharpness, saturation as usual. We're just going to add the colours in. Okay. I wonder if hue it would be nice to use. A little bit of warmth in the hue. Okay, let's see what we've got. We've got here, it's one of those bag clips, you know, where you hang a handbag off a table with this. I don't feel like pulling it apart at the moment. I'm wondering if the magenta is going to be okay. It's got a bit of red in it. Maybe the magenta will work well. I was thinking maybe yellow. I don't know. We're just going to put it on the glass and move it around. Let's see how we go. Okay. Got a feeling we didn't give it much angle to make it look good as a mirror image piece. We'll soon find out and see what we've got. Well, that looks nice colour-wise. That looks really nice. You can just see a little bit of magenta there, but it's not got enough angle. Could be better than that, so we're just going to change that around again. So we're just going to play with the buttons to make sure we don't lose our settings. We're just going to put it up in the corner again and just slide it around. Down we go. Let's see how we go. Okay, again we didn't get a good angle on it. We need an angle to make it look a lot nicer to mirror image. So we're just going to try again. So we're just going to play with the buttons again and make sure we don't lose our valuable settings. So let's see what happens now. If we can just drop it down quickly like that. It's not easy catching up, trying to keep up with the scan, trying to go with the scan fast enough. See how it looks. That's a lot better. We can work on that. The pattern in there is not as well defined as the others, but it's got a really good angle. I think we can enlarge this a bit, or maybe we don't need to enlarge it because we've got a bit up there, the hand. So now we're just going to put this to donate. Someone I'm sure will find that really nice little accessory for when they go out. So now we're just going to enlarge this at all. We're not going to enlarge, we're just going to enlarge it a little bit. We've got little borders around the edge, so we've got to get rid of them. So we'll just switch it to copied paper and we're just going to, so that's going to be the centre of the job. So we're just going to put this down here. Just going to put that up. Just get rid of the borders. There's ugly little borders that I hate. Ugly little messy little borders. Don't like. So now we're just going to set this up. So let's see, what's the vertical going to be? 104 in the horizontal. That horizontal was the first one. This is the vertical, so it's going to be 104. So that's just to get rid of the ugly little borders. And we're just going to get in here and tweak some stuff really seriously. We're going to add some background. We're probably going to leave out the text enhance. We're going to kill off the magenta. Color adjust, we're going to now darken the density. I think we're going to leave it like that. And let's see how we go. Hopefully the magenta will show more prominently off the master copy, and see if that makes a real difference with the shiny bits, with the metallic bits, the reflections. Yeah, that looks quite rich. That's really rich colour-wise. You can see now the magenta is more easy to see. You can even see bits of it there. So I'm actually wondering, well, we're going to leave it like that. I'm thinking we're just going to leave it like that. Or maybe, no, we're just going to leave it like that. It's really hard to decide, folks, how I'm going to make it. Alright, that's our second piece of this. It's going to curl a fair bit. It already is, which is a pity because this will be a really nice, colourful piece. And if we can we can hope that the middle part doesn't curl too much, because if it stays on the outside it shouldn't be as bad. Well, hopefully not. We're just going to punch in our two mirrored images. Okay, let's see how we go with this. Oh, fuck, we just nudged. We nudged this way out of place. Oh, fuck. That's not a good start. Hate it when I nudge. Nudge, nudge. It's so clumsy. It's just a clumsy thing that I do sometimes. So I'm just trying to line these up. It doesn't help that we have curling, so it's not as bad. The curling isn't as bad as what it has been in the past, strangely enough, but still it just comes back every now and then to be a pain in the ass. So let's see that. Okay, that's not too bad actually. So there we have it. There's our bag clip. That looks really quite nice. I think now it looks almost like an opal. Now we can call it quits.